historical period?
The Renaissance era has always intrigued me.
What's your favorite food?
Sushi is my favorite.
Where does it hurt?
Here.
Have you ordered the birthday cake?
Sorry, I forgot it.
Do you believe in fate?
I think everything happens for a reason.
Did you enjoy the concert last night?
Yes, it was amazing.
Where would you like to go for your trip next year?
Phuket is so much fun that I want to go there again.
Where would you like to go?
I've always wanted to visit Japan.
You can do it, can't you?
It will be difficult, but I will try.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I can't handle the heat.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the roast chicken.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Excuse me, what kind of sauce is this?
It's a tomato-based sauce.
What's your favorite documentary?
Planet Earth series is awe-inspiring.
Have you got something bigger?
Of course, we've got bigger sizes as well.
Do you have a book?
Yes, I do.
Is there a supermarket near here?
Yes, it is next to the bank.
Could you do it a little cheaper, please?
Sorry, but that's the lowest we can go.
I lost my job.
Don't worry, you'll find a new one.
What do you usually do at home on Sundays?
Nothing, just cleaning my room, washing clothes, and watching TV.
Are you hungry?
She's very outgoing and friendly.
Do you enjoy going to karaoke nights?
Yes, belting out favorite tunes is liberating.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
I am a little thirsty and I want to drink some water.
Well, I'll get you a glass of water.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, many times.
I guess that she is 40.
My friend says she is 42.
What's your favorite craft to make?
Knitting cozy scarves for winter.
Have you ever tried ziplining?
Yes, it was an adrenaline rush.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
There are so many pictures on the wall of your room.
Yeah, I took them on my vacation.
When is Spring Festival this year?
Late January.
What are you planning to do today?
I'm going to visit my grandparents.
Do you do any sports?
I go to work by bike every day.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I can't handle the heat.
What's your favorite season?
Autumn. I love the colors and cool weather.
I am trying to lose some weight.
I think that's a good idea.
I am going to buy a new car.
What color car do you want?
What's your favorite jazz standard?
Summertime always evokes a mood.
How much would you like?
2 kilograms should be enough.
Will you travel during the long holiday?
Not sure. Some people will rest at home and some people will go to travel.
How long have you been skiing?
About 3 years.
Is he studying?
No, he is reading comics.
You are so late. I've been waiting for you for half an hour.
I am so sorry. I was stuck in traffic.
Who's your favorite stand-up comedian?
Dave Chappelle always has me in stitches.
He always talks big.
I hope he follows through.
She was born with two different eye colors.
It's hard to believe.
Can I pay by credit card?
Sorry, but we only accept cash.
What's your favorite jazz standard?
Summertime always evokes a mood.
What would you want to eat for lunch?
Anything?
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Which major are you interested in?
I am interested in law.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
That man is a teacher, isn't he?
Yes, he is.
Do you like going to the circus?
Yes, the acrobatics and performances are impressive.
What's wrong with you?
I am feeling a little bit uncomfortable now. I want to go back.
Is it the first time for you to travel in Spain?
Yes, I've always wanted to visit the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona.
What are you waiting for?
The plane ticket is expensive.
Have you ever met a celebrity?
Yes, I once bumped into Tom Hanks at a cafe.
What's your favorite type of sushi?
Salmon nigiri is my go-to favorite.
Can he speak Japanese?
He just came to Japan recently, so he doesn't speak Japanese very well.
What should I wear?
The black one.
Have you ever visited a famous landmark?
Yes, I've been to the Eiffel Tower in Paris.
Have you ever tried skydiving?
No, but I've always been curious about the experience.
What did he tell you just now?
Just something about work.
What would you like to drink?
Beer, thanks.
It seems like this is the long way.
No, it's not. The other one's longer.
Have you ever gone ziplining?
Yes, I have gone ziplining.
What's your motherland?
I was born in India and brought up in France.
I wouldn't be willing to leave.
I'll stay with you.
Which one do you think is better?
Definitely the second one.
Can you speak slowly?
I will try my best to speak slowly.
Do you know what time it is?
It's 3:40 p.m.
What's your favorite type of sushi?
Salmon nigiri is my go-to favorite.
Why do you have a cold?
I didn't bring my umbrella yesterday, so I was caught in the rain.
I can't find you.
It's on the 8th floor.
I got my right leg hurt in the accident.
I'm sorry, injuries are not good.
When will you go?
At 9 o'clock tomorrow.
What do you do?
I'm a software engineer.
What's your favorite craft to make?
Knitting cozy scarves for winter.
What did he say in the letter?
He said he had recently changed a new job.
Have you ever tried pottery painting?
Yes, it's fun to unleash creativity on ceramics.
Have you ever tried indoor rock climbing?
Yes, it's a great workout for both body and mind.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to Italy.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you eat quickly?
No, I take my time.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family and a cat.
Do you enjoy going to art galleries?
Yes, I love admiring different forms of art.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Can I borrow this book for 2 days?
I am sorry, it was borrowed from the library.
How old is your grandfather?
76 years old.
What's your favorite type of food truck cuisine?
Korean BBQ tacos are a must-try.
What's the best way to the station?
You can take the bus, it's more direct.
Can you teach me how to make dumplings?
Of course, let's figure out a day.
Would you help me remove the refrigerator?
I'm glad to, but I'm afraid I don't have the time.
Do you enjoy going to museums?
Yes, I find them fascinating and educational.
When is your birthday?
May the 12th.
Have you ever tried snowboarding?
Yes, it's thrilling but challenging.
What day is today?
It's Sunday.